Did you know that as of 2023, over 40% of companies worldwide are either using or planning to use cryptocurrency in their operations? That's a staggering number, and it's growing every day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency and its increasing relevance in the business sector. As we approach 2024, it's clear that cryptocurrency isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's becoming a vital part of how businesses operate. So, what does this mean for companies moving forward? Let's find out. Now, while the potential of cryptocurrency is exciting, it's not without its challenges. First off, we have regulatory hurdles. Different countries have different laws regarding cryptocurrency, and navigating this minefield can be tricky. Then there are security concerns. We've all heard horror stories about exchanges getting hacked or companies losing millions in crypto. And let's not forget about market volatility. One minute Bitcoin is soaring, and the next, it's crashing down. Companies need to have a solid strategy in place to handle these ups and downs if they want to dive into the crypto waters. So, how are businesses actually integrating cryptocurrency into their operations? Well, one of the most common ways is through payment systems. More and more companies are accepting cryptocurrencies as a payment option, making transactions faster and often cheaper. But it doesn't stop there. Businesses are also exploring investment opportunities, using cryptocurrencies to diversify their portfolios. And let's not ignore the innovative business models that are popping up thanks to crypto. For instance, we're seeing companies launching token-based ecosystems, where customers can earn tokens for engaging with the brand, creating a whole new level of customer loyalty and interaction. Now, let's talk about a success story that perfectly illustrates the benefits of embracing cryptocurrency. Take the case of Starbucks. They've been experimenting with a digital wallet that allows customers to pay with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The result? Increased customer engagement and a modernized payment experience. They learned that by adopting crypto, they not only attracted tech-savvy customers but also streamlined their payment processes. It's a win-win situation, showing just how transformative cryptocurrency can be for businesses willing to take the plunge. So, to wrap things up, cryptocurrency has the potential to be a game changer for companies in 2024 and beyond. While there are challenges to face, the opportunities for innovation and growth are immense. It's essential for businesses to adapt and consider how they can leverage this technology to stay competitive in an ever-evolving market. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on cryptocurrency in business? Do you think it's the future, or do you have some reservations? Drop your comments below, and let's chat about it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other videos on cryptocurrency and business trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.